What's up, guys? You know, it's DFG back with another video. DFG Rico back here with another video. So today I will be showing you my NBA 2K20 build, my center NBA 2K20 build. So in my last video I showed you my point guard build. I had a lot of fun with all these builds. But yeah, let's just get into these. Let's just get into these attributes. So with the progression, this build is mainly for finishing and defense. So the thing with this is it has a 58 mid range on a center. You have like about a 35% chance of making that on a center on a glass cleaner, the type I built. So yeah, for the badges. So for finishing, I have back down Punisher Hall of Fame, contact finisher Hall of Fame, fancy footwork Hall of Fame, Lob City Finisher Hall of Fame. Only reason I have Lob City Finisher Hall of Fame is me and my friends like to throw lobs a lot. So, you know, I got to catch those. And lobs also help you get more rep. So if you want to rep up faster, this is a perfect way to do it. So usually I have Relentless Finisher on Hall of Fame. And I have back down Punisher on Silver. This is what I used to have. But I just realized that was just a slow move. So I took that off, put back down Punisher, Hall of Fame, and Relentless Finisher Silver. It works. Trust me, guys. And so for the shooting badges, I didn't really focus on shooting. I should have grinded and got these maxed out, but unfortunately I didn't. And for my playmaking, you know, I just had the quick first step. This only comes with one playmaking badge, but that's not the point of this build because I'm mostly for, you know, finishing defense. But this is the good part about this build. So this is like 21 defensive badges. It should have on this build it should have gave me more defensive badges, but you know 21 will take that. So box, some people put box on Hall of Fame. The type of build I created, I just really didn't need it on Hall of Fame. So I've had that chase down artist. You gotta have that Hall of Fame. You know, I gotta do the LeBron chase down block. You know what I'm saying? Clamps. I only did that because sometimes me and my friends have to switch. So like if we're like playing like a zone, we might have to switch on like a defensive player. So if I have to guard a point guard, I just have to put Hall of Fame clamps. You know, already there's no really explanation because everybody should have Intimidator Hall of Fame, Rim Protector Hall of Fame, Rebound Chaser Hall of Fame. So that is the good part about this build. Thank you guys for watching my NBA Center 2K20 build, and thank you.
Why is everything chrome?